Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today you're going to learn how to use TikTok templates on your Capcut. So this is quite simple. First of all, you must go to your Play Store and see if you have your TikTok and your Capcut upgraded. Remember that if the green button says upgrade, you must tap on it and upgrade your app, okay? So now, if I go to my Capcut, I'm going to have this option, the big one, new project, but below that I have three options: edit, templates, and camera. Templates are those templates that I used to find on TikTok. So if you don't have those templates yet, you must go to your TikTok account and search for TikTok templates. So here I'm gonna use, the first one, and on top of the username, in this case is template, you can find that there's an option that says Capcut, try this template. So if I click on it, now I'm going to use my template in Capcut with the red button. Now use template with the green button. And here I have to choose a video. I'm going to choose this one and click on preview. This is going to load. And after that, you're going to have your video with that template. In this occasion, this is the result. Several black screen seconds. And now my video. And I click on export. And this is going to be load without the watermark or with the watermark if you click on export, okay? And that's way. If I go back and I click on save, you're gonna find that if you go to your Capcut, you're going to have your templates. Obviously, in this case, the first one, if you want to change the video, you must to hold your finger on it. Now click on edit and now replace, and you can choose a different video from your gallery.